Can you imagine a world on the brink of extinction? Humanity's last breath drawing near? This is not a new concept. In fact, these scenarios have been explored and reimagined countless times in the realm of literature. Welcome to the world of apocalyptic fiction. Our journey begins with ancient mythology and religious texts. The Bible, for instance, houses some of the earliest examples of apocalyptic literature. Books such as Revelation, Daniel, and Ezekiel depict terrifying end-of-the-world scenarios filled with supernatural beings, divine judgment, and the ultimate triumph of good over evil. Fast forward to medieval Europe, where apocalyptic themes gained widespread popularity. Religious movements like the Cathars and Waldensians painted a picture of an ending world, with salvation reserved for a select few. This impending doom and the desire for spiritual salvation struck a chord with many, leading to a surge in apocalyptic narratives in literature and art. As we move into the Renaissance and Enlightenment periods, the genre underwent a significant transformation. Here, authors started exploring secular themes, with tales of utopias, dystopias, and political upheaval. A standout example is Thomas More's Utopia, which, while describing an ideal society, also dips its toes into the realm of disaster and destruction. The 19th century marked another resurgence for apocalyptic fiction, with authors like Mary Shelley and H.G. Wells exploring themes of social collapse, environmental catastrophe, and humanity's end. These narratives often mirrored the anxieties of their era, reflecting concerns over scientific advancements, political instability, and class conflict. The 20th century saw the genre evolve further with the rise of new social and technological developments. Works like George Orwell's 1984 Inches and Aldous Huxley's Brave New World delved into themes of totalitarianism, surveillance, and technological control. Meanwhile, with the advent of nuclear weapons and environmental disasters, apocalyptic narratives began to adopt a more global perspective. Today, apocalyptic fiction stands as a diverse and vibrant genre, encompassing various subgenres like post-apocalyptic, dystopian, and apocalyptic fantasy. Renowned authors like Cormac McCarthy, Margaret Atwood, and Suzanne Collins continue to explore themes of survival, resilience, and human dignity amid catastrophic events. In summary, apocalyptic fiction has journeyed through history, shaped by societal and cultural influences. From its roots in ancient mythology and religious texts to its modern interpretations reflecting contemporary fears and anxieties, the genre serves as a mirror to humanity's deepest fears and hopes. It allows us to confront the end of the world from the safety of our armchairs and ponder on our own resilience in the face of disaster. And that, dear listeners, is the power of apocalyptic fiction.